Welcome to Dr. JALIL photography channel. This is winter in Bangladesh. After 2 weeks of cold wave and foggy weather, there's no sun in last 2 weeks, so I couldn't take any photography outdoor. But today you can see this is very shiny, very sunny. So I came out with my Sony A7riii camera, and you can see on my hand is Sony A7200 macro zoom lens. I bought this lens for my travel photography. Whatever I can see, whatever I like, I start to take photographs, landscape, street photography. So I'll show you the performance of this lens today. Please keep watching until the end. I'll be taking a macro photography of a very tiny blue color flower, you can see in front of my finger, with Sony A4 16-70-200 zoom lens with different distance, different gap, and I'll show you the pictures at the end of the video. I've taken several shots in different distance with 200mm zoom. Let me see the pictures. I've already taken some macro photography of this very small flower from different distance. I'll show you at the pictures at the end. If you like my channel, if you like my videos, please subscribe, press the bell icon, stay connected. Bye bye.